Every day, factoring companies process hundreds, even thousands of financial documents, invoices, contracts, bills of lading. But hidden inside them can be errors or even fraud. Manual verification is slow, repetitive, and highly error-prone. A missed mismatch, an expired contract, or a fake document can lead to serious financial losses. And as volume grows, the risk only increases. So how do you scale verification without increasing risk? With AI-powered document analysis, built to detect fraud instantly. It starts with uploading documents. The AI supervisor agent immediately identifies their type, whether it's an invoice, a contract, a bill of lading, or any other financial document, even if the files are unstructured, scanned, or unclear. Next, the AI extracts key data, names, addresses, phone numbers, emails, and compares them against your internal database. In seconds, it detects mismatches that could otherwise go unnoticed. Then, the AI cross-check agent ensures consistency across documents. It verifies that contract terms align and that names and details match between invoices, contracts, and shipping documents. No contradictions, no hidden risks. Finally, the AI decision-maker agent consolidates all findings and determines the fraud risk level. Every document is evaluated based on real data, patterns, and detected anomalies. If everything is valid, the system marks the document as accepted and provides a detailed analysis report, giving full transparency and confidence. If issues are detected, the system flags the document as high risk and generates an error report, highlighting missing stamps, mismatched data, or expired contracts. What used to take hours now takes seconds. This system reduces processing time, minimizes human error, and protects your business from financial fraud. At Clover Dynamics, we help businesses speak the language of the future. We build AI-powered systems that turn complex processes into automated, intelligent decisions, from fraud detection to fully autonomous operations. Most companies today are losing over 60% of their productive time to a routine they don't even notice. Sales teams are drawing in CRM data entry and repetitive copy-pasting, while marketing teams struggle daily with a content generation gap. Every forgotten follow-up or missed leak is a direct leak in your revenue. We see these digital costs everywhere: disconnected processes, human error, and hundreds of wasted hours. So how do we fix this without adding more complexity? You don't need another software bill. Instead, we can build an intelligent AI layer that sits on top of your existing tools. You won't have to change your work. The AI simply connects everything and handles the grunt work. You get to step back from the manual tasks and let the AI do the heavy lifting while you focus on the strategy. Let's look at how this works in practice, starting with demand generation. Imagine a system where your marketing strategy is fully automated. An AI assistant from LinkedIn that doesn't just generate text, but understands your high-level business goals, research relevant topics, and creates expert content that resonates with your audience. It's marketing that works 24/7, keeping your brand active while you focus on the bigger picture. But what about adding one more AI layer? Once interest is captured, an AI agent inside the CRM takes over. Based on real-world implementation, we've shown how AI can analyze lead intent, remember the entire communication history, and automatically draft personalized follow-ups. The result is a complete shift in focus. Your team stops chasing cold leads and starts spending 100% of their energy on meaningful, high-value dialogues. Managers step into warm-up conversations that are actually ready to close, leaving the robotic, repetitive work to the machine. The real result of this custom automation is reflected in hard numbers. For our UK-based client, this meant over $110,000 in annual payroll savings by automating roles that previously required full-time manual oversight. More importantly, We achieved a triple increase in the qualified lead pipeline and reduced missed opportunities to zero. This is what happens when technology is built to fit the business perfectly. You stop paying for process inefficiency and start investing in pure growth. At Clover Dynamics, we provide a high-end automation service. We act as your strategic partner, auditing your unique business logic and building the exact intelligence layer you need to scale. In an era where everyone has the same tools, a custom-built system is your ultimate competitive advantage. Your business does not need more apps. It needs a partner that delivers measurable results. Are you ready to transform your workflow? Let's build your custom advantage together. Applying to tenders shouldn't feel like a full-time job. But for most companies, it does. Hours spent searching, filling forms, rewriting the same information again and again. What if AI could do all of this automatically? Every tender requires time. Finding the right opportunity, matching requirements, preparing documents, and writing proposals. And even then, you're never sure if it's the right fit. Now imagine an AI agent that does this for you. It browses tender platforms like a human, understands requirements, and applies automatically, end to end. This AI doesn't just automate clicks. It has full knowledge about your company, your services, past projects, positioning, stored in structured knowledge bases and RAG systems. It understands what you do and where you fit best. The agent scans dozens or hundreds of tenders and instantly evaluates which ones match your expertise, capacity, and strategic goals. No more wasting time on irrelevant opportunities, only the ones you can actually win. Here's how it works in real life. The AI logs into a tender platform, navigates to a specific opportunity, and prepares the application, just like a human would. It automatically fills in company information, selects the right project type, writes a tailored cover letter, and answers client-specific questions. Every response is generated based on your real experience and data, not generic templates. What used to take hours now takes minutes. You can apply to more tenders with higher quality and better targeting without scaling your team. And once everything is ready, the AI submits the proposal, from discovery to submission, fully autonomous. This is the future of business development. AI agents that act, decide, and execute, so your team can focus on strategy, not repetitive work. At Clover Dynamics, we help businesses speak the language of the future. We build AI-powered agents that combine knowledge, automation, and real-world execution, from tender applications to fully autonomous business processes. Businesses today lose time, money, and opportunities due to manual processes. Repetitive tasks slow teams down, increase costs, and limit growth. Most companies spend hours applying to tenders manually, searching platforms, reading requirements, and writing proposals again and again. With AI agents, this entire process becomes fully automated. Companies increase their lead generation capacity by 8 times, reduce costs by 65%, and generate more revenue with less effort. In sales, many opportunities are lost simply because no one follows up at the right time. Manual CRM management leads to missed deals and inconsistent communication. AI agents solve this by analyzing communication history and automatically following up with every lead. This results in a 3 times larger qualified pipeline and 0 lead leakage. Inventory management is often based on manual planning and guesswork. This leads to overstock, stockouts, and frozen capital. AI forecasting systems optimize inventory in real time. Companies reduce manual work by 74%, cut errors by 82%, and unlock hundreds of thousands in tied-up capital. Let's talk about how we shop. For years, we've been clicking buttons and scrolling through endless pages. But that's changing. We are entering the era of voice commerce. Think about it. Why spend 5 minutes clicking filters when you can just say what you want? People want to shop the same way they talk to friends, naturally and instantly. And we are moving from searching for products to having a dialogue. Imagine an interface that remembers your preference and acts as an expert advisor, making every order feel effortless. To bring this vision to life, we've developed a proof of concept that connects a real-world pizza delivery service with a voice agent. Our assistant can navigate the entire menu, manage complex requests, and sync with the shopping cart in real time. Let's see how it works.
Hello, I'm your pizza ordering assistant. I can recommend pizzas, explain ingredients and allergens, and place your order. Do you prefer delivery or pickup? And are there any flavors or dietary preferences I should know about?
Hi, yes, I want to order the pizza, the spicy one. What could you recommend me?
For a spicy pizza, I'd recommend the Diabola. It has chili pepper along with pepperoni and mozzarella for a nice kick. Would that suit your taste, or would you like another option?
What other option do you have?
Another option could be the pepperoni pizza. It has a bit of spice from the pepperoni, though it's not as hot as the Diabola. Would you like to go for the Diabola, the pepperoni, or would you like to hear more options?
Yeah, let's add both of them to our cart.
I've added both the Diabola and pepperoni pizzas to your cart. Would you like to add anything else, or should we proceed to checkout?
No thanks. Let's proceed to checkout.
You have one Diabola pizza and one pepperoni pizza in the order. The total comes to $16.49. Shall I place this order for you?
Yes.
Your order has been placed successfully. Enjoy your meal. Would you like any further assistance?
Now, you just saw a fully integrated shopping experience. By bridging the gap between conversational AI and e-commerce backends, we've created a shopping experience that is fast, safe, and entirely hassle-free. And the best part? This isn't just for pizza. Whether it's booking travel, choosing healthcare products, or configuring a new car, this technology scales to any industry where customer convenience comes first. At Clover Dynamics, we help businesses speak the language of future. Ready to transform your customer experience? Let's build it together. Every business loses money, not because of bad products, but because they run out of them or overstock them. A single wrong decision can lead to missed sales, wasted capital, and frustrated customers. What if your inventory could predict the future before problems even happen? Traditional forecasting relies on static reports, gut feeling, and data that's already outdated the moment you open it. But demand doesn't stand still. It shifts with promotions, weather, seasonality, and market behavior. And by the time you react, you're already too late. This is where AI-powered inventory forecasting changes everything. Instead of reacting to problems, you anticipate them. Instead of guessing, you simulate real scenarios. AI continuously learns from your data, adapts to new patterns, and improves every single day. The system analyzes historical demand, trends, and external drivers across hundreds or even thousands of SKUs in real time. It instantly highlights projected demand, reorder alerts, and stockout risks, giving you a clear, actionable picture of your entire inventory. No noise, just decisions. Let's zoom into a single product. Here, AI combines years of historical data with predictive models to forecast future demand with high accuracy. It calculates your current stock coverage, identifies risks, and recommends exactly how much to reorder, automatically and in seconds. In the base scenario, the system predicts demand based on historical patterns, seasonality, and ongoing trends. This is your stable, data-driven baseline, the foundation for all planning decisions. Now, let's simulate a promotion. AI instantly models the expected uplift in demand, showing how sales may spike and how inventory will be affected. So instead of reacting after shelves are empty, you prepare before demand hits. And what if demand slows down? The system adjusts forecasts in real time, helping you avoid overstock, reduce storage costs, and protect your cash flow. Smarter decisions, even in uncertain conditions. AI doesn't just predict. It explains. It shows why demand is changing, what factors are driving it, and what action you should take next. Like placing an order now, before a stockout impacts your business. This is the future of inventory management. Data-driven, automated, and proactive. With AI, you don't just manage inventory, you stay ahead of it, optimize every decision, and turn uncertainty into opportunity. At Clover Dynamics, we help businesses speak the language of the future. We design and build AI-powered systems that turn data into decisions, from forecasting and optimization to fully autonomous intelligent operations.
Hi everyone, today we are talking about the next evolution of e-commerce. For decades, stores have been built for human eyes, full of shiny buttons and emotional triggers, but that is about to change. By 2028, it's estimated that over $1 trillion in commerce will be driven by machine customers, AI agent making autonomous purchasing on behalf of humans. The problem is that today's stores are invisible to AI. When you ask a modern AI agent to buy a laptop, it has to scrape websites like a human, often getting stuck on pop-ups or failing to understand the inventory logic. At Clover Dynamics, we built the solution, MCAP, Machine Customer Interaction Protocol. Built on top of the Model Context Protocol, it provides a standardized handshake between any AI and any backend. Instead of AI guessing what's in the store provides a structured, verifiable toolkit for searching, filtering, and transacting. Whether a shop uses Venger, Shopify, or a custom API, MCAP acts as translator that turns natural language intent into precise commerce action. To show this in action, we built the MCAP Playground. This is a live environment where you can see how an AI agent sees a store. Currently, our playground is connected to 3 distinct test shops. Each uses a different backend configuration, but the AI interacts with them through the exact same MCAP interface. Instead of clicking through categories and filters, I will just type in natural intent. I need a powerful laptop for professional graphic design. What's the background process? The AI doesn't just search for keywords. Through MCAP, it translates graphic design into specific technical requirements: high RAM, powerful GPU, or display certifications. As you can see, we didn't just get a list of links. The AI actually analyzed every option for us. The AI chose a winner because it has professional grade specification, which is exactly what a designer needs. It's an honest recommendation based on data. It also explained why other laptops ranked lower. This is how shopping should work. No more manual searching or guessing, just the right product found instantly through MCAP. MCAP bridges the gap between AI and e-commerce. If you want to prepare a store for machine economy, visit our website. Thanks for watching.
Businesses today lose time, money, and opportunities due to manual processes. Repetitive tasks slow teams down, increase costs, and limit growth. Most companies spend hours applying to tenders manually, searching platforms, reading requirements, and writing proposals again and again. With AI agents, this entire process becomes fully automated. Companies increase their lead generation capacity by 8 times, reduce costs by 65%, and generate more revenue with less effort. In sales, many opportunities are lost simply because no one follows up at the right time. Manual CRM management leads to missed deals and inconsistent communication. AI agents solve this by analyzing communication history and automatically following up with every lead. This results in a 3 times larger qualified pipeline, and zero lead leakage. Inventory management is often based on manual planning and guesswork. This leads to overstock, stockouts, and frozen capital. AI forecasting systems optimize inventory in real time. Companies reduce manual work by 74%, cut errors by 82%, and unlock hundreds of thousands in tied-up capital.